it down to the ground.
Where are it?
What they are all talking about? Yeah, pick some ackee.
I look for some saltfish with it.
You know, say I plan to cook some ackee too. But I know no ackee a yard still, so I don't take two of them there. But different though. You see, nice brown in there on the front of the roadside.
You're talking about a nice sexy bee.
Yeah, man, heavy. No matter what me tell the girls, say, she not give me the goals. She still like, we not to get number, nothing, not get nothing from me. We can't get no contact with her because we don't know what me I do wrong. But me know say her original girl is a long time.
What you tell her?
Well, I tell her, say, I is a youth from the countryside, you know. And I is a hard-working youth. I lift up Malta bucket and I we chop down some yard. I is a hard-working youth. When the dollars come in, I will work to make the dollars come. I will do my 9 to 5 and my 9 to whenever the time done. To then show she alright. And that may tell the daughter so she don't worry about nothing. I will climb the mountain. I will do everything.
Hold on. None of them things that not gonna work. You have to tell her a lie. Lie work. How you think me want this mansion?
I always feel that you is a youth like this, you're a skill youth, I think of some skillness you use and do it.
No, when the mama come up at me and saying like, man, I have big house too, if you married, so I have to tell mama, I have a big house on the hill. King and queen come, they can stay.
No, I just think so because you is an original. You know me I talk about, I think you're one of them.
No, man, listen, man. So, she won't go buy ring, you know. I'm married to me, if she married to me, it belongs to me. I lie, you have to tell her, girl, like, if you want her, just tell her, say, I have a big mansion. Tell her, say, I have 10 bank accounts. 1 not 9 not touch and 1 not done until 20 years from now. I bet you come back and tell me, say, work.
But where I come from, you know, I could have just see the local nice girl them and talk to them and tell them things. And if tell them say, I have 2 goats, and I talk to her and tell her these things, I would have get through long time.
No, but me I tell her, it's a folk up, I did live in that. And me I tell her, look at me rich mansion. Because if you lie no work, but me I tell her, say, lie work.
Wow.
You can't see the proof, yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a smart youth. I go try it, you know. But
try, man.
I'm not part of my principle. You have to tell a lie.
Listen me, a lie, I tell lie. Police are doing the same thing. Remember saying, you know, when police stop taxi man, you know, and when they think they do, they correct that the government can know, even the man himself will win. I lie that.
Alright, so here we know. Go for one bag and take 2 of the ackee them. And come. Pad on here, man, you come by about pad. Pad. And you tell me say lie work. You tell us I'm going to take 2. 1 feedback. Here, no.
No, man. Rasta make me 2 pads, Rasta God. I left 1 pad. Me have to go to the road to Rasta.
Brownie, what go on? You found what day me I will have reason, but this is me kind of shy still to tell the full details about me, you know. You see place I rent over here, so the people them own, you know. I mean they work fine. Enough place. To me not simple man, because people that study me too much. I have money. You know, most of the property them on the beach. And my family they own it. You understand? My grandmother own it and somebody will belong to me. I have to get me some collection money for when I'm not collecting no money yet.
Yeah, say.
So which one room you live up on top here?
Right up there, sir.
Oh, the one from the side here?
Yes, right up there.
Alright, so here we go on. Right now, if we go down a bank, you know, go clear 2 million, you know. But I kind of, you know, I like eating in town still. So I have some ackee said here. But you look at one girl that can cook, you know. Yo, Mo, give me a number too. Give me a number. You can call you and you tell me directly where you want, how much pizza you want, how much Burger King, whatever you want, you will get it.
Yeah, I mean, I eat ackee, so I'm going to take 1 burger.
Can take care, you know, you don't have to walk again, you know. You don't have to walk again. When me get through, you get through. That's how it works. Just put the ackee. I mean, me just eat ackee straight with some different. You have flour for yard, put on flour side, like put on flour and some banana on it. And do your thing. More carry everything you want for yourself and bag of things.
Alright.
Cookie. Find no one me there. Here?
Alright, boyfriend.
Alright.
Tenny come. Yes, we call her. Yes, you look at chicken coated rasta.
What happened? Go and see your bucket and read it because you know, we said the performance back. I run about half an hour that we find me there.
Listen, me, I don't know half an hour. 2 for the bed, me, 2 for the strength.
Dan, listen, this is when Jamaica's a few. There's no number for you. Few can be 20, 40 people, but you know, you tell more light the light work, you know. So that's a few, I mean more than a few. But this is, yeah, watch out. See the shell and everything.
I don't want to say,
But
but
stop
the
that, man. I'm tell you what.
What?
Yo, you see the thing where you tell me say you it's a lie words. I prove it. Work with you, man.
So that's why I never see you out on the road there.
Me say, me up at the girl room. Hey, see everything up there.
You breathe up, you breathe
And
up.
you wanna, mama, cook the ackee them and everything. But you know, you the lie me tell her, I say no. When I go there and see the brownie, I tell the brownie, say I own the 7 mile of white sand there. They have hotel for it. And me have house to rent all over the place, but I'm going to make one 5 million transaction on a bank. So I ask her, what she wants? She want burger, she want KFC, she want pizza. So I just go to the road and kill some time out there and so on buy cute. Because I never dead 5 years for me. I said, Dan, go buy 2 patty and 2 cocoa bread. I want to look back since you come there. And that I can give mama and tell mama, watch out, I go down to the bank and guess what? The bank take away what I can. Them. So, I'm going to wait till tomorrow to go start with them. But you know, she boy shop here and prepare things. But I'm telling her a story that she just buying to it.
It's a food girl, man. It's a food girl.
It's not a, it's a money girl, but true, she knows that the things that the money be there. So, I have to tell her a lie. So, when I tell her the lie, they work. Because she has dollar sign for me. So, I say, alright then. Mama, where the food there? Mama cook food, everything. You understand?
You're a smart boy, man. So, you know it's a lie work.
Yeah, man, I tell her, man, it work for real life.
Mm-hmm.
So, me I wonder though, if that the same car, you know, like me I look at sister, you know,
What you answer to me?
one of them could have
No
Calm
try
yourself,
them
man,
thing
you.
there.